Can you do it? Almost.
Okay, do it. You do it? Hey,
Aries.
look at Jason.
Aries. Oh, you almost
What'd
did
you
it.
do?
Oh.
What'd you do? Did you just give that food to that puppy? What did you do? That's good. That was a good one.